In this video, I'm going to show us how to open both of our pieces and basically place our file, our SketchUp file, into our layout file. Now, in our previous video, we downloaded, alright, they should be down here if we just did that step, and we put them to our H drive. We moved them to our H drive. That's very important for us to be able to keep on going. So, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my H drive. So I'm going to minimize, and I actually have mine open already, so I'm going to close that. I'm just going to double click on my H drive. When it opens up, your H drive will have things a lot less stuff than my content here. One of the things that mine's kind of messy, so I'm just going to go to date modified. I'm going to select that. Right now it's in reverse order because I can see 2007 or 2018. I'm going to click it one more time, and then it puts the most recent stuff on top. And what I'm going to do here right now is I'm going to open the layout file. Double click it to open it. Now, opening layout, every once in a while it takes a little bit of time to go through this process. A few things we can do right away is once we open this up, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change our name. So double click into that piece and type in your name. The next thing is it should already say DraftingS. There's a DraftingC file in the DraftingC assignment to download for that portion. And to get our SketchUp file into here, I'm going to do a file insert. When I click insert, it's going to ask me what's the file I'm looking for. First of all, we got to go over here to the left-hand side and navigate where this is found. And yours should be on your desktop, and then it should be on your H drive. All right, so in here. Now, the next thing is, once again, date modified if you have more than one thing, and find the most recent piece by double clicking right there, and then there's my file. I select it, I hit open. Once I hit open, it snaps it and places it into our layout file or our layout program. Once I have this here, there's a few things I need to do, and that is, first of all, right click and change the scale. So I right click the actual picture and go down to scale, and we want this scale to be a 1:1. It's full size. After we do that, we want to reduce the size of our window by clicking and dragging so we can see all of our dimensions. And then lastly, we want to kind of put this in the middle of our page. So I can see all my dimensions, I can see my page. The next thing I want to do is go over here to the right hand side. Most times it starts being closed. We want to select SketchUp Model. Once we get into here, we want to select Styles. And then lastly, we want to come here and we want to hit Background, which turns our background off. Or should. Now, sometimes even when you select the right things, and you try to turn the background on and off, it doesn't actually work. So once you select background, it should turn it off. I'm going to troubleshoot mine right now, just open it up or close it after I save it and open it back up and see if it's there or if it's not there. At the same time, this is okay if this is where we are at and it's stuck there with our background turned off. Thank you for watching the video.